In the quiet hum of a workshop, where sawdust drifts like snowflakes and the scent of cut pine lingers in the air, lies a world where patience and imperfection are not flaws, but companions in creation. Wooden crafts, unlike mass-manufactured items, carry within them the signature of their maker. The tiny irregularities, the subtle grain shifts, the faint dent where the chisel paused just a moment too long. These are not mistakes. They are the fingerprints of a process steeped in humanity, reflection, and growth. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today we will show you a collection of great woodcrafts design ideas to make money as woodwork. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. For many woodworkers, especially those starting their journey or those crafting for income, the pressure to create perfect, sellable products can be overwhelming. But those who remain rooted in patience and aware of the imperfections soon discover that success, artistic or financial, doesn't lie in flawlessness. It lies in authenticity. In every groove, curve, and knot, wooden crafts tell a story far richer than perfection ever could. The nature of wood itself invites imperfection. No two pieces are ever the same. Even boards cut from the same tree behave differently. One may warp slightly when exposed to humidity, another may reveal an unexpected knot or blemish. And yet, seasoned woodworkers learn to lean into these quirks. They listen to the wood, adjust their approach, and, most importantly, let go of the illusion of control. This dance with imperfection is not just a technical adjustment, it's a mindset. It's a philosophy that honors the creative process as one of dialogue rather than dominance. When someone approaches wooden craft as a means of generating income, the temptation to chase perfection intensifies. There's a perceived belief that customers want only sleek, flawless items. But what truly resonates with buyers, especially in the age of handmade, artisanal appreciation, is honesty. Buyers are no longer just purchasing a product, they're buying a story, a connection, a piece of someone else's vision. And that vision, in its truest form, includes imperfections. A handmade wooden bowl with a slight asymmetry, or a rustic sign with a visible brushstroke. These nuances remind customers that a human hand, not a machine, brought this object to life. Moreover, imperfections, when embraced, often become design features. What starts as an accident can evolve into a signature style. A crack may become a decorative inlay. A warped edge might inspire a new shape. Over time, the woodworker becomes more than a crafter. They become a storyteller who understands that even flaws have purpose. In fact, for many successful wood artists, these so-called imperfections are the very traits that set their work apart in a saturated market. The journey to profitability in wooden crafts is not immediate, nor is it smooth. It is shaped by patience, an attribute often undervalued in the fast-paced world of online commerce. But patience is what allows skills to grow, reputation to build, and unique voice to emerge. A woodworker who resists shortcuts and leans into the slow, repetitive rhythms of their craft will, over time, develop products that reflect depth, experience, and soul. These are qualities that cannot be rushed, and they are what customers ultimately cherish. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We hope this video brought you both calm and creativity. We believe in the beauty of well-made spaces and handcrafted pieces. Subscribe for more faceless inspiration and join us on a journey of thoughtful design and woodworking. From a business perspective, this mindset has clear rewards. Repeat customers, referrals, and community support are built not just on quality, but on authenticity. People are drawn to creators who are transparent about their process, who share the learning curves, the near failures, the quiet victories. A faceless, flawless product might be admired once, but a handcrafted piece, created with patience and awareness, tells a story that customers remember. It invites loyalty, admiration, and trust. The digital age also offers woodworkers unprecedented opportunities to share their process with the world. Whether through social media, online marketplaces, or YouTube channels, creators can bring audiences behind the scenes. And this behind-the-scenes content is most powerful when it's honest, when it doesn't hide the scratches, the design pivots, or the workshop chaos. Viewers and customers alike connect more deeply with makers who show the journey, not just the final result. In fact, for many content creators in the woodworking space, embracing imperfection is what fuels engagement. Videos that showcase challenges, mistakes, and recoveries often outperform polished highlight reels.
Why?
Because they reflect real life. And in real life, nothing is perfect, especially not in creative pursuits. This connection between honesty and profitability is one of the most overlooked truths in the woodworking world. In workshops around the world, creators are rediscovering this truth every day. They're taking old wood, discarded pieces, and flawed materials and turning them into stunning home decor, functional art, and heirloom furniture. They're finding that the most memorable pieces are the ones that surprise them, the ones that didn't go exactly as planned. These are the pieces that sell not because they're perfect, but because they're real. For the individual who seeks both income and fulfillment from woodworking, the lesson is clear. Patience and imperfection are allies, not enemies. The creative process is not a straight line. It's a series of trials, learnings, and evolving intuition. Each piece made adds to the maker's story. Each mistake, embraced rather than erased, deepens the craft. So the next time a chisel slips, or a board splits, or the stain absorbs unevenly, pause.
Breathe.
Look again. What if that wasn't a flaw, but a feature in disguise? What if that crack could be filled with gold like the Japanese art of kintsugi? What if that uneven line was a new signature? In embracing the imperfect, woodworkers not only honor the nature of their material, they honor themselves. They become creators who are not just building for income, but crafting with intention, heart, and authenticity. And that, ultimately, is where lasting value and true success will always be found. Well, dear viewers, thanks for watching Decor Ideas. If you're ready to transform your space or start your next build, stick with us. Subscribe for more design-focused woodworking inspiration delivered in calm, faceless style. We'll see you again with more beauty in every frame.
Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.